Okay, a Jeep Wrangler door handle replacement video, because there are no good ones out there. These two pieces had actually, this piece had come out, it was loose. Somebody messed with the door handle, and so this was falling off, and the plastic frame inside was loose. I'll show you that. So you pull the weather strip out of the channel. There's a hole. You're going to go in there. Well, if we can get in there. With a long T25 Torx or screwdriver bit. Find the head, start loosening it. It clamps the aluminum piece in here that holds this stopper in place to keep the door handle on. Turn it about maybe 10 times, don't go too far, and then check it. This piece getting loose. Just keep pressure on the screw head in. We don't. Just keep loosening it until this piece will come out. Just about. There we go. There it goes. And so then that holds this piece on it, slides back and out. That's it. Those pins right there are what open your door. Okay? Make sure this screw is in the slot and tight, and this clip is on the sheet metal. This piece was actually loose and it had pushed in, so everything had been, somebody had been in here trying to do something. I'm not sure what. So in, forward, this piece goes back in. You might have to pull this out just a little bit. There you go. Now all you have to do is tighten this back up. And that will take the little aluminum piece and slide it back onto the clips on that stopper. Okay, there you go. Now it's tight. Whatever you do, don't loosen this too much and keep pressure that way, because you don't want that to come apart in there. Okay? So there's that. Opens. Put the weather stripping back in its channel. Make everything's in. It's hard to see. There you go.